I'd like to spend just a minute explaining how to fish lakes like the type of lake that Dan and I are fishing today. This is a bowl-shaped lake. If you're going to draw a picture of it, it would be like a soup bowl. It's not very deep in the middle. It's got tapering edges. You might have some reefs and sunken islands on the lake, but in many cases they're kind of featureless. This year the weather was hot and it set itself up so that we're in early fall, but we don't have necessarily fall conditions. We still have some fish that are in some summer patterns, some that are starting to go to fall. They're a little confused and they're tougher to catch. So how do you do that? Well, one of the things that you can use to your advantage is the fact that they still are aggressive fish. Their metabolism is high. So we pick a technique like casting crankbaits because they'll attack the baits. Sometimes you can trigger them into biting if you have a good high action bait. And that's what we're doing today. So casting shallow, and that'll help you catch more fish in this transition time from summer to fall.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.